Babies are 31 days old. These are rough collies, just like Lassie. We have Shiloh. He's a sable merle. Pixel, she's also a sable merle. Nala, a sable, just like Lassie is. Just like her mama. And then we have Han Solo, or Solo for short. And he is a tricolor. Not to be confused with border collies. These are rough collies. And rough is referring to the coat. They also come in smooth. So this is the only breed of dog actually known as collie. Just collie. That is the breed. Pixel. Pixel is Wilde Manor's Picture Perfect. Her face is a little wet right now. We were wiping down faces and paws. This is Nala. Of course, Solo, he's getting tired. They've been playing. And Shiloh. We're exposing them to different sounds, so what you hear in the background is dog show sounds. Different surfaces. They're on the floors here, and then we have a little carpet for them to walk on so they get used to different surfaces. The toys they have will make noise and light up, except for that one seems to be dying. Maybe the batteries just need to be replaced. Aww. Yeah, they're getting tired. Oh, you want to play. We also have sounds of children playing or screaming kids in the background as well. Oops, let me see. Let's see, let's get this to play. So those are the toys. They're getting used to the sounds really well. So the idea is to stress them out a little bit so they can overcome it. So it doesn't scare them as they get older. I'm going to have to start changing it up and giving them something different now. So I'm going to go out probably tomorrow to find some new toys for them. No, that one's not going off. Can't get that one to go off. So these guys, their mom is Wilde Manor's Dolce by Design, Dolce, and they're sired out of a first-time sire. He's never had a litter before, so it's his first time being a daddy. It's Kane's babies. Kane is Wilde Manor's twist of Valjaron. So they're a month old. There'll be more videos to come, so stay tuned for that. Everyone's a little tired now, so I'm going to turn off the camera and let them sleep.